Hey everyone, I wanted to go ahead and show you all a really cool tool that's available to you on Microsoft PowerPoint, and that is the Create with Copilot tool. So while using this tool, if you're entitled to it, it will allow you to actually prompt Copilot with, go ahead and bring it up so you all can see it. It'll allow us to actually prompt Copilot to go ahead and create us a presentation. And in addition to that, we can also add in referenced files. So we can ask it to include these reference files across multiple slides, maybe on one slide. And then what it'll do, it'll actually take your prompt and your reference files. And if it works correctly, it's going to go ahead and create you a it's going to go ahead and create you a PowerPoint presentation. Just full disclosure, this has been hit or miss, so I may need to prompt it a few times and stop the video. But eventually we're going to get a finished product, and we'll be able to run through it and see how accurate it was to our prompt. So I actually have a prompt saved that I went ahead and created in between the video here. And this is really all it is. So you can see it says create a presentation about, and I put different dog breeds with a little bit about each. I could, I guess, clean it up with Grammarly if I wanted to, but different dog breeds with a little bit about each. For the breed types, if you can include Australian Shepherd, Border Collie, Golden Retrievers, Labrador Retrievers, and Cavachons. And again, this is where, depending on how long and detailed your prompt is, it's going to be that much closer to what you're looking for. So if you also wanted a slide about all of the pros and cons about the different dog breeds and why, what's so great about Golden Retrievers, what is some of the things about Golden Retrievers that people don't like, maybe it's the shedding. Golden Retrievers are great. I don't know. I can't really think of anything bad about them, but let's go ahead and prompt AI now, or let's go ahead and send this prompt off to AI Copilot and see what happens. This may take a little bit of time, so I may jump forward here in the video so you all don't have to sit through this, but really what it's doing is it's going to go ahead and give us a play-by-play on what it's doing. So you see right now it's creating the outline. So it's exploring different dog breeds, because that's going to be the title page, characteristics and unique traits. And you can see right now it has each of the dog breeds broken down. And then within each of the dog breed slides, oh my gosh, it's not working right now. Let's try this again. This is where I told you it's a little bit finicky, so I'm hoping by the time you all use this, it either will work just work better for you, or if you're watching this, years down the line, I'm sure Copilot's going to be a million times better than it is now. So just for reference, it is April 2026. And the only time I've really used Copilot within PowerPoint is there is this option over here where it says new slide with Copilot. I've had really good success with that. But then that's just one slide at a time. I'm not trying to create a whole PowerPoint presentation. And I've also tried to use the Copilot app itself to create PowerPoint presentations where it'll give you a file, then you can open it up, but it's really plain. It really just gives you some slides. And within those slides, it's just kind of an outline. You need to add in pictures and make it pretty and everything. But you can see we actually got something this time, so that's good. Again, if we go through the outline, it's not really much there, just kind of providing everything that we asked for. Now what I can do is I can go ahead and change either the presentation style, or I can go ahead and stick with the suggested one. We're not going to see what the suggested one is yet until everything has been generated. So we'll just leave that there, and we'll just see whatever AI is able to give us. From here, you can also see the image preference. So we can choose a different style, or we can just go with suggested. So again, I'm going to go ahead and go with suggested and click generate slides. And now what it's doing, it's going to go ahead and it's going to populate all the different slides. You can see now it has the title page, has the agenda, has the different dog breeds, or first dog breed. And you can see it actually has multiple slides for Australian Shepherd. So it has the initial slide, physical appearance and coat colors, personality and temperament. So this is actually way more detailed than we even asked for. So this is great. The only thing that you may run into issues for is that it may just provide too many slides and you may have to condense it. So this could be a school presentation, and maybe you can't have more than 12 slides, because right now we got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 23 slides. That's kind of a lot. So I would probably go through and I would condense quite a bit of this down, or I would even delete some of the slides that are on here. But again, we're just going to continue to let this run. And if this doesn't generate here in the next 10 or 15 seconds or so, I'll just go ahead and stop the video and then resume it once it's actually been created. Okay, so it looks like it just finished up. So now we have if you go ahead and scroll through, you can see this is what it went ahead and created for us. Right now it's in a different view. Right now it's in the, slide sorter view. So I'll go ahead and switch to normal view in a moment. You see now down here at the bottom, it's giving me, decide do I want to keep it or do I want to discard it? So I'll go ahead and select keep it. For some reason, this doesn't work. I don't know why. This happened to me before too, where you click keep it and it just doesn't work. So let's go ahead and switch to normal view and it should remove it. So now let's go ahead and look through the different slides and see how accurate it was. So right now we have popular dog breeds as the title with the Minecraft looking image here of the different dog breeds. And let's go down to agenda. So you can see for the agenda, it went ahead and it added in the different dog breeds that we specified. So Australian Shepherd, Border Collies, Golden Retriever, Labrador, and Cavachon. You can see a brief description about each of them too. Australian Shepherd, this is probably where we'd want to add maybe a background image to make this stand out a little bit more. But you can see from here, it went ahead and it added in the personality and temperament. So intelligence, quick learners with strong problem solving, loyalty, trainability, and energy. And exercise and needs an ideal environment. So you can see over here, it suggests things like taking these dogs for a morning walk, midday activity, afternoon exercise, the ideal environment, adaptability, and health benefits. The only thing that's interesting though is it's not uniform. So like maybe it would be ideal to have had an exercise needs and ideal environment for each one of these dogs, and then a personality and temperament slide for each one of these dogs. So it looks like for each dog breed, it's a little bit different. But that could have been my fault for not prompting it. But you can see over here, just mentioned some stuff about Border Collies. Again, the images got screwed up here, so I'd have to find some icons to place in for these. Training and stimulation needs. You can see that's over here as well. Golden Retriever. Same thing for Labrador. And Cavachons. Yep, our dog's on the bigger side. She's about 20 pounds. And then we have a conclusion page as well. So that's what we got just from a simple prompt. So you can see at the bottom, it actually gave us notes as well. So as we're presenting, we could even read off those notes. And the audience is not going to be able to see those notes either when we're presenting. So that's helpful to have. You can see even here for Cavachons, it didn't even include anything. But this gave us a great start though. So if I had been a little bit more detailed with the prompt, such as adding like a pros slide and maybe a cons slide for each dog breed, that would have been a little bit easier for us to work with, because I think we just gave it too much leeway, and because of that, that's why the slides aren't consistent. But you can see just with a simple prompt, I was able to create all this with Copilot. And from the time the video cut to where it went ahead and created everything, it took about 5 minutes. So it wasn't necessarily quick. And obviously, the more detailed your prompt and the longer your presentation is, the longer it's going to take. But that wasn't bad for 5 minutes. This probably would have taken me maybe 45 minutes to an hour to create this myself. So it definitely saved me a lot of time. So hopefully you all can try this out yourself, and again, just get a little bit more detailed in your prompt and it'll be closer aligned to what you're looking for.